Good evening, guys. This is Trader Nak from Nak Consult. Um, it's been a while. It's been a while. I think last week we were unable to give you a full video of the analysis, but we just did a little bit and we posted it. We thank our viewers and our subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing and for always liking our videos. We appreciate you guys. We appreciate you guys. Okay. Without much time, let me just go through into the trade. So this is gold, and for gold, as you can see, gold is giving us. I don't know, but I will want to wait to see as it comes out of this triangle. Okay, then from there maybe to the upside or to the downside. I'm looking at a little bit of an uptrend, but a consolidation there. Maybe from there we'll see where it goes. So let's go to some of our trades that we already have in our system. Okay. All right. So we go to uh our BTC trade. I think that's it. Our TP, both our TP and stop loss. Our sorry, both our first TP and second TP. So we are good. Okay. Our BTC trade it worked out. Okay. So uh, for now, what I'm seeing on BTC is something like this. Something like let's go to the higher time frame. Okay, let's go to the higher time frame. Now there's what I'm seeing right now on BTC. We will consolidate. Let me go to the weekly time frame. Let me go to the weekly time frame. Seeing something like this, seeing something like a consolidation. Okay, a consolidation, then we will move upwards to this side due to there's the next resistance. Okay, there's the next resistance. So this is what I'm looking at BTC to go to. That's why I've drawn my trend line, my daily trend line, which is the green one. Okay, at my consult, our daily trend line is the green line, and our monthly is the blue, and our weekly is the white. Okay, just for you to identify and for you to get to know our trend lines. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing. Okay, this is what I'm seeing. Then we come back to the downside. Okay, so for now, I'm waiting for the consolidation over here to be done. And after that, we move to the upside. Okay, we move to the upside. So we will wait to see if it breaks our daily trend line, which is this green one. This green one. Okay, sorry. Let me remove this. So this was our entry for the sell that has already happened already. Okay. So let me just remove our take profits before already. So right now what I'm expecting is a consolidation. Okay. Let's move our TP to the side. This is where our next TP will be. So okay, so let me remove the entry line or horizontal real line. Okay, let me remove it. So I'm waiting for a consolidation on BTC. I'm waiting for the consolidation to happen. Then let the market show us the way. Okay, either it would go down a little bit more or it will go up. So right now that's what I'm waiting for, both on BTC and also on ETH. Okay, all right. So let me go to our ETH trade. So those who place the trade with us by now, at least you've gotten our serious. Wow. Our ETH trade also, let me see. Okay, TP1 hit, but it nearly came to TP2. So it nearly came to TP2. Okay, so you can take partials and wait. Okay, all right. So as I said on BTC, this is the same thing I'm seeing on ETH. It can go a little bit lower. Okay, but it can go a little bit lower there. From there, we move to the upside. Okay, so let me draw Let me go to the daily time frame. Let me draw my trend line, my weekly trend line, okay, on ETH. Don't worry, we will change it. We will change it. All right, perfect. So this is what we are going to do. We change it. It's on a weekly time frame, so white line, okay. Let's push. I think where's the next resistance? Okay, so this is so we let me remove this TP. Let me go to the daily time frame. Okay. So now let me remove our entry. Okay. So the next resistance I'm seeing right now is around this level to the upside. If it should break our weekly trend line, okay, which is the white one, this one, that's our weekly trend line. If it should break it, okay, if it should break it, then let me give it a daily, mm, sorry, let me give it let me push our TP. So this is our next TP that we will be expecting, okay, that we'll be expecting. Right now, all I'm expecting is a consolidation, okay, that's all I'm expecting right now to see from this side. Oh, I think we even made it worse. So I'm looking for a consolidation over here, okay. Then let me see on a daily time frame. So let me see. I think our weekly trend line has done a lot, or it has already done what we need. But let's draw our daily trend line, okay, so that we know that it moves. Okay, so let me adjust it a little bit. Let me adjust it a little bit. Okay, all right. So that's our daily trend line to identify the bull market which is coming in, or it might break it and go down. Okay, this is this is ETH, and both BTC and ETH. But what I'm expecting is that this uh it would consolidate, then it breaks to the upside. Okay, so something like this. Okay, so something like sorry, something like this from here to here. Okay, so if it should break our daily trend line and also the weekly trend line, I'll be entering for the upside. Okay, I'll be entering for the upside. Maybe second TP go above this resistance level. Okay, due to this. Okay, so these are the second TP I'm seeing for ETH in terms of the buy. Okay, if it breaks our daily trend line, also our weekly trend line, it can go above this. So this can be our third TP. This can be our third TP. That's the next resistance. It can be our 30p. If it should break our above our that's our weekly trend line. Okay, this one, the right one. All right. So let me just wrap up then. Go to our USD JPY trade. So guys, I had some comment and we're like, oh, we thought it would go down straight. No, sometimes you see market structure, you have to always follow what market structure does. Okay. So as I said, it will be going down, but when it came down over here, you could have taken partials. If you watch my previous videos, okay, taking partials, then you could have entered for a buy or wait when it's pulled up, then what you enter for another sell to the downside. So right now we have our TPs over here. Okay, TPs over here due to the gap. So I'm putting it here. Okay, I'm putting it here. All right. Okay. So first TP, second TP, third TP, and even fourth. I'm sure it can go there. I'm sure. So we have like almost like four TPs. Okay, almost like four TPs. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. We are still in a bearish Okay, bearish trend for the USDJPY pair. Okay, all right. So let's go to any other pair. I think the GBPJPY pair is also the same. It's also doing the same thing. So if you had done it the way I did mine, it means you'll still be in the trade. Okay, but I use a little bit low lot size. I don't use big lot size. Okay, it's a swing trading that we are doing. Okay, swing trading that we are doing. Okay, so let me just move this one. Okay, so this is the expected TP for our GBPJPY pair. Okay, this is what we are expecting to see due to the gap. Okay, even though the gap has been closed, yes, the gap has been closed a little bit. Let me see, the gap has been closed. So this gap wouldn't be working anymore. It wouldn't be working anymore. So the gap has been closed. So we'll be looking forward to our first TP around 196.647 basic point. Okay. All right. And also the last time we talked about the S&P 500. Yeah, the S&P 500. And let me just do a recap on those who were able to identify this one. Let me just go to the lower time frame. Let me go to the 1 hour and see if we can. Yeah. So we did our trend line and likely it hit. Okay, it hit both. There's the daily trend line, the weekly trend line. Okay, so the S&P 500 broke both the weekly, just as I did analysis. Okay, to the downside, and also it will continue. So our first TP has been hit. Okay, and if maybe you want to enter tomorrow or from Monday, sorry, Monday is a holiday, so let me see, yeah, Monday is a holiday, yeah, Monday is a holiday, but anyway, anyhow, Monday is a holiday, so let's see how it goes. But from Tuesday going, you can wait for a pullback, okay, to give maybe it can consolidate a little bit, okay, so something like this, it can consolidate. Then we continue to the downside. Okay. So first TP, second TP. All right. Or first TP. Yeah. So this is what I'm seeing for the S&P 500. Okay. That's where our previous first TP has been already been hit. Okay. So let's look for the second TP. If it also hits, then we are good. Yeah. So this year, I think it's showing a lot of bear market. Okay, so just be cool. Okay, let the market come to you. Don't rush the market. Let the market come to you. Then you do what is necessary. So there are some of my guys that are still in this street. Okay, over here around this place. So they are waiting for the second TP. But if you didn't, if you weren't able to enter, okay, in this second time round, you can wait for the consolidation. Then, when it's about to cross down, you enter, wait for the pullback to the upside, then you enter for the down. Okay, so that's for the S&P 500. Okay, guys, let me know the pairs you want us to look at. Okay, let me know the pairs you want us to look at so that we can do an analysis on it and to share our ideas on it. Okay. All right, so let me see what is the next. Um, how many of okay, how many of no? Let's go to DXY, the DAX, the DAX. Yes. So apparently, most of you guys know that the DAX is like the USD turned upside down. Okay, so if the DAX go down, if the DAX go down, the USD will go up. If the DAX go up, USD will go down. This is something I want you guys to remember. Okay, this is something I want you guys to remember. This is like an old analysis I did. Yeah, I think another analysis I did. So I'm sorry, but this is an old analysis. But let me just keep it simple so that I can do that. So this is a monthly trend line. Okay, this one you are seeing is a monthly trend line. It's a monthly trend line. Okay, so it has broken the DXY has broken the monthly trend line. It has retested. Okay, it can go up a little bit, but it has already broken. It's telling us that it is about to enter into a bear market. Okay, it means the US dollar is about to lose its value. Okay, the value of the US dollar is about to depreciate. It's about to depreciate. What it means is that Euro USD, if it goes down from, let me see, the next resistance point? The next resistance point. Let me just, no, not that much far. Let me use. Let me use this. I just want to use something, at least something which isn't that much far. Okay. So what it means is that when the DXY or the dollar index pair or asset, anyhow you want to mention it, okay. If it goes down from here to this side, okay, from 96.566 basic point to almost 93.982 basic point. What it means is that the US dollar has depreciated. Okay, so what it means is that the Euro USD pair will go up whenever both the Euro USD pair will go up, and also both GBP USD pair will also go up. Do you understand? Yes, but the DAX affect more of the Euro USD. It's like the Euro USD being flipped over. Okay, so that's what I'm seeing. That's what I let me just roll this thing. This is something that is what I'm seeing it can do. Okay, it can go up, then come down, then it's in that to give us that something like this. That's what I'm seeing the DAX to do. Okay, so I wouldn't be in a rush. It has it broke the monthly trend line, then pulled back and came here. Okay, it can also go up, then come down. So we'll just wait for it and wait for the market to do its thing. Okay, we just wait for the market to do its thing. Okay, we are not going to rush it. This is the higher time frame. This is the daily time frame. This is a consolidation. We are in the consolidation right now. Okay, so yeah, before it goes up, yeah. So this you see, this is an old analysis I did for a client of ours. So this is a consolidation. Then maybe before it goes up or goes down. But with what I'm seeing right now, it would go down. It would go up in a few days, but would re reverse to the downside. Okay, so let's say our TP is around 93.982 basic points, okay, on the DAX, for the DAX to go down. Okay, so if the DAX is going down, it means Euro USD will be going up. Let me go and check it so that you guys say Euro USD, Euro USD, where is it? Where is it? Mm, Yeah, Euro USD. So I won't be sure that the Euro USD will be going up. All right. So this is my own analysis I've done for the Euro USD. Okay, so as you can see, the DXY is the DXY and the euro is the same. It's like you flipping it upside down. Okay, yes, it's like you flipping it upside down. Okay, so that is the whole thing about both the euro USD pair. Okay, so as we entered it, it is right now within our stop loss area. Okay, so we are still holding it. We are not using a huge loss side. That's why, okay, 0.01%, 2% of our capital. Okay, so that's what we are timing. Okay, first TP around 1.25551 basic point, second TP around 1.31062. Okay, that's what we are looking for it for the euro to reach. Okay, whilst the DAX falls, the euro will rise. Okay,